Jay, and you're back in my kitchen for Thanksgiving today. This meal I prepared by first giving you 2 recipes, and then I just added other things to it, and we'll go over it. First, we made stuffing, and this stuffing is bread with some fruit in it, apples and raisins. That's the first one. The second thing I made was these delicious mushroom burgers recipe straight from my daughter. It's so good. I will link all of the recipes, the links below from my channel. All of this comes from my channel. These are easy green beans almondine. It's delicious. These are my mashed potatoes. Also very good. I used zucchini here, and I just chopped it, sliced it with sliced onions and used my chicken seasoning on it and just baked it. This is the very good cranberry sauce that I introduced to you a year ago. You know, I always have to have some brown rice gravy. If you want to put it on your stuffing, you want to put it on your burgers or your mashed potatoes. Now, I also included some of the vegan butter in case you want to put it on something. So these are all recipes from my channel, and I will, as I said before, put all the links below so you can have it. And I just wanted to taste everything together so you could see that you could have a wonderful Thanksgiving meal, all vegan, all plant-based, and delicious. And because I am a lover of lemon, I have some lemon water here, so I'll try that first. Very good. You always have to get your water in. Okay, let's start with the stuffing. And I'll just try everything with the raisins and apples. So good. Thumbs up. This is a mushroom burger. Now, I'll tell you the truth about this mushroom burger. One of my favorite things to eat that my mom used to cook was her, I know a lot of people don't like it, but I loved her meatloaf. And this reminds me of my mom's meatloaf that I used to eat the day after as a sandwich to take to school. This is really good. So, another thumbs up. This is one of my favorite. I have a lot of favorites on my channel. I love my cooking. I gotta be honest. But this I really like because these are the easy green beans almondine. And they have, it's like, it has the sliced almonds, but it has some other things in it. But it has lemon in it. And it tastes so good with all these flavors brought together. Another thumbs up for me. The last 2 things, or 3, my mashed potatoes, which I'm going to put a little bit of my brown rice gravy on it. I really love potatoes. And this is zucchini, just roasted zucchini. And very last is my very good cranberry sauce. I was thinking of coming up with another cranberry sauce, but I thought about it and I thought, why am I going to do that? I love this cranberry sauce. You guys will like it too. For anybody who hasn't tried it, please try this cranberry sauce. Very easy, very delicious. I have many other recipes for vegetables and different sides that you could try. This is the one I came up with. But I know that with a little curiosity, you could look at some of my other videos and see what you could come up with. That's it. Have a beautiful and wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving. Enjoy yourself and your family, and enjoy eating plant-based. We're taking a break because we need it, and the next video will be uploaded on December 7th of this year. Okay? So, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Let me know if you don't. Don't forget to leave me some comments below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay? wonderful Thanksgiving to all of you troopers. I love you guys dearly, and I don't use love just loosely, okay? Bye for now.